subgiants. Now, after a star had gone through its main phase, in which in the inside it was hot enough with 10-15 million degrees Celsius, where two hydrogen atoms are having overcome their electrostatic repulsion, and they were able to stick together and forming that way helium. Now it had ended because the hydrogen in the center all had fused to helium. The hydrogen left, and there wasn't enough power, enough pressure from the outside, enough heat to make the same number for helium, to press two helium together, but it isn't working. So the hydrogen is used up, fuel is gone. What happens now? It falls together. By this stellar nuclear synthesis, when the two hydrogens were pressed together, there was at the same time an outward force happening, bringing that star, that sun, into a hydrostatic equilibrium. So there was the same pressure basically from the outside with the gravitation as there was from the inside out through this fusing of hydrogen to helium together. Now it doesn't happening anymore, and the star is collapsing on itself basically. But there is still hydrogen in the outer surfaces of the star. Only the hydrogen in the center was used up. On the outside it is still there. And now it falls together. And now during its falling together, the hydrogen from the outside comes closer to the center. And it is able then, because it's closer to the center at hotter regions, to do again our thermonuclear reaction. And the hydrogen of the outside comes a bit to the center, two hydrogen coming together, and we're creating again this outward force. So the core is shrinking and also heating up, and the outside is technically also shrinking, but because when there is happening that thermonuclear fusion, the stellar nuclear synthesis, two hydrogen, one helium, it is expanding. So the core is shrinking and the outside is expanding. And it is expected to last by the sun for 700 million years, this phase of the core shrinking, heating up. Overall the star gets cooler, but the outside is bulging up, and the sun is expected to reach the 3 times its size through that. And that is according to Mark Egarlik's Cosmic Manicory book on the page 40.